Today I'm looking at an item from Nambe. This is the Harmony chip and dip server. Because salsa serving, chips and dip and all kinds of different things, whatever you want to have for a party bowl. This is really nice. I want to do a quick unboxing. Just going to show you, this is a nice quality item made out of Acacia wood and metal alloy. That's what it says. A very cool looking bowl, I have to tell you. I love the look of this wood. I just want to show you how rich this bowl looks. I mean, you can just see how awesome this bowl looks right here. It's all branded on the back of the bowl. You can see that. Nice, rich, thick, beautiful, absolutely stunning looking bowl. I love this. Now, if you're gonna have a party and you got that vibe coming, I love the look of this. And this is the other piece that came with the bowl. Let me just show you that. Also, it does come with this little instruction booklet here. Basically, just tells you how to put it together. Let's take a look at that together. And I love, like I said, if you have parties and if you're throwing parties, or if you're looking to give someone a very unique gift, this is right up your alley, guys. This little lip right here will sit in the back of the bowl. Again, this is all branded. I want you to see everything is all branded right here. You can just see that. Just snaps on like that. Just sits from what I can see, just like that. You add your dips in here, you put your chips in here, you can put your tortillas in here, whatever you want for a dip and a chip, something like that. This is absolutely amazing how it sits. Let me just show you the side shot, how it sits on the side of the bowl. Just sits right there. I'd imagine you could do it the other side too. I don't know why you couldn't if you wanted to. No, it doesn't really fit right. It really belongs here. I can see why, how they designed it this way. So they designed it to sit on the high part of the bowl. And then you can see how it just concaves into like a beautiful looking grit. And I love the wood. It's absolutely stunning. I want you to see the wood in this thing. Again, one more time. I just love this kind of stuff here. It's a great party. If you want to give someone an awesome gift, a wedding gift, a shower gift, anything like that, this is something you really want for chips and dips and all that kind of stuff. Really what it is. Let me just give you the measurements real quick. The length of this is 12 inches and the height with the dip adapter, let's call that, is around 6.5 inches tall. That is the dimensions. Okay, they recommend hand washing and dry it immediately. You don't want this wood to sit soaking. You don't want it to start splitting. So that's very important to know that. So it says wood, wax, and oil to keep your favorite items looking good. So you want to use wood, wax, and oil to keep this looking really good. That's what it suggests on that. Again, fantastic. I'm just going to give this an A+ because I love the look and richness of this wood. You can just see it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. All right, guys, that's what I have. I don't want to talk about this too much. I love this. Check out the other products they have on this site. I'm definitely going to recommend this for sure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always. And I'll see you at the next review. And thanks for watching.